In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden chat in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever had a conversation disappear from your main chat list, it can feel like it's gone for good. The good news is, it's usually just hidden, not deleted, and you can bring it back in a few quick steps. I'll walk you through exactly what to do, and I'll also explain what's happening along the way so it all makes sense. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your browser, and make sure you're on the Chat tab. This is where all your one-on-one and group conversations live. Over time, you might have hidden some of these chats to keep things organized or simply by mistake. Hidden chats are removed from the visible list, but they're still stored and can be recovered. At the very top of the Teams window, you'll see a search bar. This is your main tool for finding chats, messages, and people across Teams. Click on that search bar so it's active. This is the first key step, because hidden chats will not usually show up just by scrolling through your chat list. You need to search for them. Next, type in something that uniquely identifies the chat you're looking for. This could be the name of the person you were chatting with, the name of the group chat, or even a keyword that you remember from the conversation. As you type, Teams will start showing results that match your search, including any chats that are currently hidden from your main list. When you see the chat you're looking for in the search results, click on it to open the conversation window. At this point, you're inside the chat, but you might notice that only recent messages or a limited portion of the conversation is visible. To bring back everything that's been hidden, look for the option that says Show Hidden Chat History. Click on this. Teams will then load the rest of the conversation that had been tucked away. This doesn't just show a few extra messages, it restores access to the full hidden history for that chat. Once the history is visible again, you can scroll through past messages, review old information, or continue the conversation as normal. If you start sending new messages in that chat, it will usually reappear in your main chat list, making it easier to find next time. And that's all there is to it. Use the search bar, locate the chat, and click on Show Hidden Chat History to